Welcome to day 3 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will do a full body yoga stretch. You can easily do this practice even without a yoga mat because all the poses are seated. Let's get started in a comfortable cross-legged position. You are welcome to sit on a cushion or a blanket to make it more comfortable. Relax your shoulders down. Rest your hands on your legs, sitting up nice and tall. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out through the nose. With your next inhale, lift your shoulders high to your ears. Exhale, release the shoulders down. Inhale, lift the shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, release the shoulders. One more time, inhale. And exhale to relax your shoulders down. Make a few big circles with your shoulders just to warm them up a little bit. And then reverse, change direction. Release your shoulders and drop your right ear to your right shoulder, keeping your left shoulder down so that you feel a nice stretch on the left side of the neck. Stay here. Remember to breathe in and out through your nose. Bring your head back to center and lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, keeping your right shoulder down. Slowly bring your head back to center. Take a big inhale to reach your arms up to the sky, stretching through the sides of your body. Exhale, release your arms down and drop your chin to your chest, stretching the back of the neck. Inhale, circle your arms up, reaching up through the fingertips. Maybe look up if that's okay for your neck. Exhale, release the arms down, dropping the chin. Keep your spine straight so you just feel the stretch on the back of the neck. One more inhale to reach up the arms. Exhale to release, drop the chin. And then slowly lift your head up. Place your hands to your knees. Inhale, lift the chest, look up, arching the back. Exhale to lean back, round the spine and drop your head down. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, lean back and round the spine. This is a seated variation of cat and cow stretch. Continue to move on your own, matching your breath to the movement. Now bring your spine back to a neutral position and maybe switch your legs. Place your right fingertips on the mat. Inhale to reach your left arm and exhale, bend towards the right. Stretching the left side of the torso. With your next inhale, rotate your chest a little bit more to the ceiling. Stretching the side and the front of the body a little bit more. Take one big inhale here, opening the chest. Exhale to bend forward to your right knee, placing your left hand far forward, dropping your head to your knee. Allow your spine to round and feel a nice stretch on the back. On your next inhale, come up to center and switch side. Left fingertips on the mat. Right arm reaches up, inhale. Bend to the left, exhale. With inhale, rotate your chest up towards the sky. Take an extra inhale here. Exhale to bend to the left knee, stretching the right hand far forward for a nice back stretch. With your next inhale, come up to center and straighten your legs in front of you. Shake them out a bit. Bend your right leg, holding the leg behind the thigh. Bring the knee as close to your chest as you feel comfortable. Inhale, straighten your leg, flexing the foot. Exhale to bend the leg, knee to chest. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, bend. Continue to move like this, a few dynamic movements before we do a static stretch. Next time you straighten your leg, keep holding it behind the thigh or try to hold your shin, ankle or foot. You can also use a yoga strap here to pull your leg closer towards your chest. Keep lifting your chest up, sitting up straight. Feel a nice stretch on the back of the leg, on your hamstrings. It's okay if your leg is slightly bent here, just keep trying to straighten it a little bit more as you hold here. One more big inhale here. And then exhale to bend your leg and place your right foot outside of the left thigh. See if you can bend your left leg as well, bringing the heel closer to the sit bone. Hug your right thigh with the opposite arm. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to your right. Keep hugging your knee closer to the chest. If this feels uncomfortable, you can always keep your bottom leg straight for another modification of this pose. Take another big breath here. And then slowly return to the middle, straightening your right leg on the mat. Bend your left leg, bringing the knee closer to the chest. Inhale, straighten, flex the foot. Exhale, bend. And keep moving on your own a couple more times. Next time, straighten the leg and find the position where you can hold it behind the thigh, behind the shin, holding your ankle, holding your foot or big toe, or using a yoga strap here. Lift up your chest, sitting up straight. Breathe deeply into the areas that feel tight, where you feel the stretch sensation. Slowly bend your left leg, placing the foot outside of the right thigh. Maybe bending your bottom leg as well, or keeping it straight. Hug your left thigh with the right arm. With inhale, create length in the spine. Exhale, twist to the left, looking over your left shoulder. Still hugging your left knee closer to the chest for that outer hip stretch on the left. With your next inhale, untwist the pose and straighten your legs, spreading them wide as it feels comfortable for you to sit up straight. Bend your right leg and place the heel closer to the groin. Keep your left foot flexed, toes point up to the ceiling. And then slowly walk your fingers forward, lowering your chest a little bit more closer to the mat. You will probably feel the most stretch on your inner thighs in this position. Remember that you can always sit up on a blanket to elevate your hips and make the seated positions more comfortable. Take another big breath here. And with your next inhale, lift up the torso. Place your right fingertips behind you. Inhale, lift your hips high. Feel the stretch on the front of the hips, on the front of the legs. One more inhale here. And exhale, release the hips down. Straighten your right leg, bend your left leg. Right foot is flexed. Walk your fingers forward, reaching forward with your chest, trying to keep the spine long. If you feel like you can go deeper, you can also lower down your forearms. Breathe in here. With your next inhale, slowly come up, place your left hand behind. Inhale to lift the hips high. Hold here for a moment. Feel the stretch on the front. And with your exhale, release the hips down. Now straighten both legs, keeping them wide. Flex your feet. Sit up nice and tall, fingertips in front of you, and then walk your hands forward, trying to reach forward with your chest. Maybe staying high on your hands, or maybe lowering down to your forearms. This can be a difficult pose at first, so don't worry if you cannot bend forward much at all. Flexibility takes time, so give your body time to get used to these positions, to relax more. With your next inhale, slowly come up. Cross your legs as we did in the beginning. Just take a moment to notice how you feel now. Thank yourself for taking time to practice and take care of your body. And when you are ready, just open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow.